Hi guys, welcome to Food and Living. Today I'm showing you how to make your own anti-tan mask. A besan or gram flour 2 tablespoons, turmeric 2 pinches, aloe vera gel which has kesar and chandan. I'm taking curd 2 to 3 tablespoons depending on its consistency, and cucumber juice which is extracted at home. And to mix this, I'm taking a mixing bowl into which we'll add all the ingredients in no particular order. You can also vary the amount of the besan flour and curd depending on the area on which you want to apply. This can be applied to all over your body, and it can greatly reduce tanning because all the ingredients used here have great anti-tanning properties. Cucumber juice and aloe vera gel which has chandan and kesar, most of these have cooling properties and hence is a great way to use it in summer, which is already started, as a cooling mask. And the cucumber juice can also be used as a toner. I'm retaining a little bit of cucumber juice here to be applied before the application of mask paste, and apply it over your affected area, your face, your neck, hands, legs, anywhere. Actually, it can be applied to throughout the body, and just allow it to dry and then wash it off. And on repeated use, you can see that your skin is glowing and is free of tan.